In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Intel Corporation stock. This stock is currently on a verge of breakdown due to multiple negative factors trigger on the stock simultaneously. As a result, it gives us an opportunity to go short with the stock. We can initiate a short selling position before a downside corrections start. This stock is already trading near to an important support level, and if that level get break along with multiple negative factors that has been already materialized, then we could see a massive downside correction, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock before a big corrections get triggered on the downside. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, this was a bottom where the stock has given a massive upside move in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading on the upward sloping parallel channel, the stock has triggered a massive upside move with back to back higher highs. The first higher highs trigger over here, the second over here, and the last over here. And as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside, the first time its higher highs shifted to lower lows, and that gave us and confirmation that stock is officially under corrections. Here we got a two major negative signal. The first one is upward sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, and the second one is higher highs shifted to lower lows. And my dear friends, if you'll place an RSI over here, you could see there is a negative diversion. If you'll put a RSI, if you'll put a RSI and compare the price actions with it, you will find there is a negative diversion. Price actions got a higher high peak, but the same one is missing on the RSI, and this is a level. If that got triggered, we could see a massive downside corrections. And now we will discuss on the chart pattern. If you'll see over here, my dear friends, you will be able to see a terminal triangle pattern. And my dear friends, you need to wait for this red line. You need to wait for this red line to get trigger on the downside. As soon as once, don't do immature trade. You have to wait for a confirmation. This is a last support. This will be a last support. This is a last support, my dear friends. This is a last support. If this support get trigger, we could see a massive downside move. So my dear friends, so you have to wait for an confirmations for a red line to get break on the downside. As soon as once this red line get break on the downside, you would see the stock will be coming very soon. The first target on the downside short selling will be $28, and the second target, the stock may come to fill the gap. There is a gap on the downside, so the stock may come down on the downside to fill the gap. And here we will find a four major negative breakdown. The first one is upper channel got broken down on the downside. The second one is higher highs shifted to lower lows, and the third one is there is a negative diversion between the price action and RSI indicator, and the fourth one is the negative chart pattern. There is a terminal triangle impulse. This fourth one is this entire pattern. This pattern is a negative pattern, and once the red line get broken out on the downside with high volume, then you will see a massive downside corrections. So my dear friends, if you're on the buy side, you can put your stop loss below this red line, and if you want to short this stock, then you can wait for a confirmation for a red line to get broken down with high volume on the downside, and that you can use as a confirmation to short sell this stock, and you can earn a massive money on a downside momentum. My dear friends, if you like my analysis, if you really love my analysis, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.